Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi Iman. In this video, I am going to share about the admission process into the physiotherapy course in NIMS, that is Nizam's Institute of Medical Sciences, which is at Panjagutta, Hyderabad. So in this video, we'll be covering as the notification for NIMS is released for admission of BPT course. So the notification is released today, that is on 2nd September, and the number of seats in it, and what will be the duration of the course, and what is the entry qualification, and what is the age needed, and what is the application process, and what is the entrance test, and how it will be, and how the merit list will be selected, method of selection, and admission process. We are going to discuss all this in this video, so please do watch the video till the end. Number of seats available in NIMS is 50 seats for Bachelor of Physiotherapy course. The duration of course is 4.5 years, including internship. And the entry qualification needed is intermediate with the subjects botany, zoology, physics and chemistry. Or bridge course in biology and physics if you are from MPC. Then age, coming to the age, minimum age is 17 years old completed as per 31st December 2021, and the maximum age is 25 years, and the upper limit age is 3 years relaxable for SC/ST candidates. Now the reservations are as given in the video. Next, coming to the who all can apply. The local candidates, that is from Telangana, has 85% of seats, and the other that is from Andhra has 50% of seats, 15% of seat. And then application procedure: the online application registration, notification and its instruction to be filled in the application form available at NIMS website. Link is given in the description. From 11 a.m. of 2nd September 2021 till 5 p.m. of 18 September 2021. Last date for submission of hard copy of online application is 21 September 2021. That should be submitted at NIMS College. So the amount of rupees 700 rupees towards application fee should be remitted to the payment gateway using credit card or debit card issued by the banks in India through internet banking. Application fee is not refundable even if the application is summarily rejected. Online application will not be considered without submission of hard copy of the same online application along with the required documents or certificates as prescribed. The applications received after the prescribed date and the time shall not be considered. Next, coming to the entrance exam. Entrance exam will be conducted at the venue, date and time specified by the institute in hall ticket. So hall ticket needs to be downloaded from NIMS website by logging in with registration number and password on the prescribed date. The institute is not responsible for not obtaining web-based hall tickets. So you have to download the hall tickets from the internet. If you have any problem, the institute is not responsible for that. Candidates appearing from the entrance exam will not be paid any traveling allowances, so it should be your own expenses. And next one is the selection shall be by the entrance exam consisting of 90 MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, covering the physics, chemistry, botany and zoology subjects at intermediate level. The duration of examination will be 2 hours and the medium of examination will be English. The candidates shall be qualifying by securing 40% marks in case of OCs and BCs and 30% marks for candidates belonging to SCs and STs category. All requests for recounting can be done by within the stipulated time along with a copy of hall ticket and payment of 1500 rupees by paying cash in the NIMS cash counter in person. Request for recounting of the OMR answer sheet of entrance exam shall not be entertained beyond the time and date as stipulated by the institution. Request for recounting must be submitted to the Associated Dean, Academic 2, that is on second floor, Old OPD block, NIMS, Hyderabad. So method of selection is as follows. The selection shall be based on the merit in the entrance exam. Candidates shall be ranked in order of merit based on the marks obtained in the entrance examination. In case of tie, marks obtained in zoology. In case of the further tie, marks obtained in biology. And then comes chemistry, and then comes physics in the entrance exam shall be taken into consideration. Candidates elder in age will be placed higher in merit list if it's further tie. The merit list of eligibility candidates will be displayed at the NIMS website as given in the description on the days notified in prospectus. So no individual correspondence will be made in this regard. So fee structure is as shown in the video. You can see there the fee structure is as given in the table. Counseling shall be conducted at the venue, date and time will be specified by the institution. Counseling letters may be downloaded by candidates through login account on the notified date. The candidates called for counseling shall come prepared to overstay for one more day beyond the date of counseling in case required. So counseling fee will be the candidates recommended for provisional admission are required to pay an amount of 25,000 rupees towards the counseling fee immediately. This amount will be adjusted against the prescribed fee to be paid with the remaining balance collected at the time of admission. The counseling fee will be refunded to the candidates who are found to be medically unfit at the time of admission after deducting medical examination fee of 3,500 rupees. In case the candidate does not for any reason report for admission within the specified, counseling fee will be fortified. Income certificate. Candidates belonging to SC/ST category with income of either parent or guardian being less than 1 lakh rupees per annum who are eligible for scholarship from state government are not required to pay the tuition fee at the time of admission. The candidates is required to submit the following, that is undertaking bond paper, rupees worth 100, non-judicial stamp paper as per format prescribed in Annexure 4 that will be displayed. The candidate must ensure that the income certificate is in the name of parent or guardian only. So this was the procedure of admission and to the counseling. So I hope you all understand. If any queries, do comment below, and important dates will be given in the next video. And please do subscribe to this channel for every update regarding physiotherapy. Thanks for watching.